Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your comments private on TikTok to stop followers from seeing what you comment on. Let's get started. Managing your privacy on social media is important, and TikTok gives you control over who can see your activity. If you want to engage on the platform without all your followers seeing every comment you leave on other videos, you can adjust a specific setting. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the person icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right to open your settings. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Within the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. This is where you control all your account's visibility settings. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Comments. Tap on Comment Permissions. Here, you'll see several options. The key setting for this is who can see the comments you've liked. By default, this is often set to everyone. Tap on this option. You will see a menu with choices like Everyone, Friends, and Only Me. To make your comment activity completely private, select Only Me. This means that the list of comments you have liked will be hidden from everyone else on the platform. Go back to the main privacy page. For maximum privacy, you can also consider setting your entire account to private via the Private Account switch at the top of the privacy page, which gives you the most control over your digital footprint. Whenever you're adjusting your privacy settings online, it's also important to protect your overall connection. To help keep your online activity secure and private on any network, consider using a trusted VPN. For reliable protection, check out NordVPN at the link in the description below.